Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to filter spreadsheet data in Google Sheets. This is an incredibly useful feature that helps you organize and analyze large amounts of data by displaying only the information that meets specific criteria you set. Let's jump right in and walk through this process step by step. First, you'll need to open your web browser and navigate to workspace.google.com. Once you arrive at the page, go ahead and log in to your Google account using your credentials. Make sure you're using the account that has access to the spreadsheets you want to work with, as this will ensure you can see all your files and folders. After successfully logging in, you'll find yourself on the Workspace dashboard. This is where all your Google apps and files are accessible. From here, look through your available sheets and click on the one where you want to filter data. This will open up your spreadsheet in a new window, giving you full access to all its contents and features. Now that your spreadsheet is open, it's time to set up the filter. Click on any column where you want to apply filtering. You'll notice that once you've selected a column, several options appear in the toolbar at the top of your screen. Look for the filter icon, which typically looks like a funnel shape, and click on it to create a filter for your data. This action enables the filtering functionality across your entire spreadsheet. Once you've activated the filter, you'll see a small line or icon appear in the header row of each column. This indicates that filtering is now enabled. Click on this line in the header of the column you want to filter. When you do this, a drop-down menu will appear with various filtering options. You'll notice two main categories here: filter by color and filter by condition. These options give you powerful ways to narrow down your data based on different criteria. For this tutorial, let's focus on the filter by condition option. Click on it to expand the conditional filtering menu. You'll see a drop-down menu appear underneath. Click on this drop-down menu and you'll find numerous condition options like text contains, number is greater than, and date-related filters. For our example, let's select date is before from the list. This condition will help us find all entries with dates that fall before a specific date we choose. After selecting date is before, another drop-down menu will appear directly below it. Click on this second drop-down menu and select exact date from the options provided. This allows you to specify a precise date to use as your filtering threshold. Now you'll see a field where you can input the date you want to use. Let's type in March 31st, 2026 as our reference date. Once you've entered the date, click the OK button to apply your filter. The spreadsheet will instantly update to show only the data that meets your criteria. In this case, you'll now see only the rows that have a due date before March 31st, 2026. All other rows are temporarily hidden but not deleted, giving you a clean, focused view of exactly what you need to see. And there you have it, you've successfully filtered your spreadsheet data in Google Sheets. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.